Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode we got this cool unboxing right here, and basically what this is a carbon fiber case that you can use for your iPhone 14 phones. So for the one that got right here, you guys can use it for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, but they do have this available for the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, and also the iPhone 14 Pro as well. But for the one that we got right here, we see it from this brand. And we see on the side right here, they do probably got some specs and features about the product. So they mention how it is scratch resistant, it is waterproof, it's high quality, anti-skid, and it does have a very slim design. And right here in the back, they do explain the material that's on the actual case. But now let's open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open up, here is basically what the product looks like. So I do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, inside they do provide guys a little envelope. If you guys do take it out, inside the envelope they do give you guys a sample in terms of the material that's on here. So that way you can see the material that's on the product, which is real carbon fiber. But right here, you see we do have the actual case. And we see the material that's on here is real carbon fiber material. And the way they designed the product definitely looks and feels like a high quality case. So the bottom part right here, we see we do have the brand logo. On the side of the case, we do have the buttons. Same thing for this side. And we do have the opening for the bottom. And we got to look at the inside. They actually have a very nice material inside to give you guys that very soft kind of feeling. So that way when you guys do put your phone on here, it won't scratch. But now let's put on the phone to show you guys what she looks like. So just want to clip it on. Once you guys do put it on, here is basically what the product looks like. So we do have the opening in the back for the lens. And if you guys look carefully in the back, it's raised up just a little bit to give you guys that protection. Same thing for the front part as well. It's lifted up very little bit. But you see when you guys do put on the phone, it does look pretty nice. Both for this side, the bottom, and the front as well. And when you guys do feel the side, it does give you guys that non-slip material that I mentioned. So that way it can give you guys very good grip when you guys do feel it. And when you guys look from the side, you can see how slim the case is when you guys do put it on. I love how lightweight the case is when you guys do feel it because of that carbon fiber material that's on here. And like I mentioned, material that's on here is waterproof, so even if you guys spill water on here, it should be fine. And also for the case, it is anti-scratch, so if you guys do scratch it, that won't be an issue. And the way how they designed the case, they do have the protection throughout the corner, so that way if you guys do drop it, it does have that protection built in. But when you guys do the MagSafe wireless charging option, and see that does work. So really cool how it still allows you guys to use the MagSafe wireless charging option if you guys do want to. And it is pretty strong when you guys do stick in the back, which is pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this carbon fiber case, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality carbon fiber case that you can use for your iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus, or even for iPhone 14 Pro Max, like the one that we do have right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.